Sup guys, back again, just ran a contest on another page. Um, so I'm about to run Clint's box of Excalibur. Great deal on these. As you can see, they're the 88 cards with 11 packs per. So yeah, it really is a good deal. And like it says on the back, track down the kabooms. So who doesn't love a good kaboom? Anyway, I'm going to go live on here now. Live, grab the list. You can see the time down there, 6 o'clock pretty much. There it is. So let's grab that list. Oh, there's Mr. Lucky in there. He's won so much of late. Man, what a legend. So there's the list in there. Here's the clock again. Let's roll some dice. Snake Eyes. I can't remember in the rules what to do with Snake Eyes. I generally just re-roll, so I'm going to go with my instinct and re-roll them. So we've got 11 again. 11. So we're going 11 times. There's the clock. Again, there's the prize. Let's do this. 11 times. Best of luck, everybody. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just a reminder, was in fact an 11. Times there, 6 o'clock still pretty much. Best of luck, guys. Last time. Here we go. Here we go. Boom. Oh my gosh, Lee. Yeah, Lucky Lee. That's your name from now on, Lucky Lee. Another one. Amazing. Shot, guys. I'm just going to end this here, and like I say, congratulations, Lee, yet again. And done. See yous.